Hello there. Here we go, Sari here. Did a little interested with a built-in type of amplifier radio type device. Took the cover off. Really didn't want to get inside, but I'm looking at the traces here. Okay. Yeah, looking at the traces in this device here, and I'm going to explain. It's a very genius type of device here. Yep, you know, in this here got a microchip. But a microchip does do one thing. It does a lot of things in here. Now flip this over, it's still sealed within the plastic here. Got a lot of wires for speakers and shit coming out of it. Not something I would really use here, you know. Got a few very cheap capacitors. One of those oriental chips. I haven't opened this up to see. I'm going to open this up here. I'm going to pause you while I do that. Now I'm back here onto YouTube. This here, I look at this chip here. Doesn't have a marking on it of any kind. But evidently they use some pretty dark cheap capacitors in here. Yep, you pretty dark cheap capacitor. I'm going to take you on to the other vents here. I'm going to show it to you on the other vents. I'm going to do it under my magnifying glass and you can see what kind of goodies they really have in this piece of shiny crap here. Wow.
Not sure if we had time for DWI.
Okay, now. Now looking at this number, really hard for me to get. Yeah, there's a number on it. Yeah, audio oscillation chip. Yep. This is so tiny on the heat kit board. It's very tiny with a lot of capacitors. Some transistors. Now, some of these look like, I think look possible. Some might be leaky capacitor taps in here. So I'm not really going to do anything about, well, I look at this. Couple of F1s. I look at a couple of F1 caps and that in there. See if I can get the microfarads off these caps here. Because they're now old radios. $220 microfarads. A couple of microfarads in here. 12B is another bio cap called BIOS 40 cap. Another 220 microfarads. Now, of course, you do own some risks. This has been sitting around out of curiosity's sake. This microchip is an oscillation chip. I looked it up online. The number is an oscillation. These are based a couple of microfarads and a bio cap in there as well, called bio. Couple 44K transistors here. Actually, it does have it on the board marked.
I would say it's pretty much crystal clear with strong presence of.
One is a bio cap, couple R2s and R3s in there, and UR1s. A couple good transistors. These look like Mexicom transistors to me, but who knows? Anyways, well, this is going to go into. This will be on its way to a landfill site. I may just send it to might just send this off to Mr. Carson's lab. Have him see what you want to do with it. Log over.